Welcome to DJ Manager video training presented by Scott Faver. You can contact us at scott@thepartyfavors.com, toll free in the continental US and Canada, 866-569-1793. Find our DJ Manager group on Facebook. And a reminder that DJ Manager is designed for PCs using Windows XP through Windows 7. And you must have a working copy of the software Word, not open source, in order to take advantage of its many features. Today, we're working on contacts and entities, people in your DJ Manager database. This is part 6 for some more extras. Let's get started. A good place to always begin is with the Help menu. Click on Help, and you'll notice that there's a documentation list that includes the Getting Started guide, which can help you with some essentials to getting started, and then the User Guide, which is a full, complete, tells you everything you need to know about a DJ Manager guide. These are all PDF files. Simply click here and the PDF file will open. You can press Control F to find a particular word. So if you're looking for information regarding how to add a contact or how to delete a contact or how events works, you can actually look for specific words within each guide, and that will help you to get to the information that you need much faster. The Reports guide is specifically designed to help you generate new reports. Contract, letter, form letter, envelope, postcards, and automated emails, all explained in reports. The Security and Licensing and the Installation Guide, they're not required options anymore because of the status of DJ Manager. If you need more information about this, please contact me directly. And if you need a current version of Adobe Acrobat Reader, which is PDF files, you can get them there. Next, we want to talk about the appearance of DJ Manager. There is a Tools, Options, Appearance feature that allows you to actually recreate the makeover. You'll notice mine is in nice blue colors. Yours might be in gray because that is the default DJ Manager setting. I use a third-party option that does not slow down the performance of DJ Manager. This option that is built into DJ Manager will let you select some pre-designed styles or create your own that lets you pick the colors and so forth. But the truth is, this feature slows DJ Manager down tremendously, so I do not recommend it. If you'd like to know about my third-party feature, contact us and I'll be happy to give you some answers in that regard. Returning to Tools, Options, there's also the Local Startup. Now the Local Startup tells DJ Manager what it should open when it first starts. You notice that each time I start a lesson, my DJ Manager has nothing on the desktop. But when I originally start DJ Manager, some of the first things that I want it to do for me is to open pending follow-ups. And so the pending follow-ups or communication calls, this box will actually open automatically when I start DJ Manager. Appointments is another box that I want DJ Manager to open right away, because if I have any appointments today or tomorrow, I need to be reminded of them and keep them fresh. And also, of course, the Report Batch option, which is right here under Reports Batches. And these are all the batch files that I run. I have them designated as daily batches and then specific to Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and within each of those there is a set list of reports or emails that needs to go out on that specific day. And because I do batches every day, I like for the batch reports file to open up automatically. I'm a regular user of DJ Manager, so I don't need the user guide to start every time I open DJ Manager, but you might, and you're welcome to check that box if that's a feature that you'd like to take advantage of. Also, Word needs to be open anytime you're going to send email or do any kind of printing, such as a document, contract, form letter, and so forth. And so DJ Manager offers you the option to automatically open Word when DJ Manager starts. You can even select the specific document that you want DJ Manager to open. If you have your own personal tickler file, that's your to-do today kind of list, then you may want to select that as the file to open. Or you may have a specific file document that is designed for information that you need to have access to all the time regarding DJ Manager, and you can ask it to open that document as well. These are personal options. Set them up the way that you like and have fun with it. The reports has a huge list of reports, and if you happen to remember the name of each and every one of the reports in your list, good for you. But if you don't, there is this option called favorites under reports, and the favorites will allow you to see what you have selected as some of your most favorite reports. You can even pare down the list by saying that I'm looking for a report that's designated for contacts, or I know that this report is via events, and that'll take you right to those favorite reports that you like to use on a daily or regular basis. The calendar, contacts, calendar view. There's a day planner, which is simply looking at just today, or there's the complete weekly planner, which I really kind of consider a monthly view. Even though they're only showing you the week here, Monday through Sunday, the month is listed right here, and that makes it really convenient. This is December 2010, and here's January, February, March, and of course you can flip the years as well, and when you want you can click on today and it'll take you right back to today. You can even select the specific time that you want your calendar to start. My day starts at 6 a.m. for appointments. That's the earliest appointment that I make. I'm in the office as early as 3 a.m., but I don't schedule appointments that early typically. And believe it or not, yes, I will do an appointment as late as 11:30 at night, and so I've set those up as my default savings, and then I click apply, and then I save them so that this list covers that complete time. There are a variety of other options here. Again, take a look at the help menu, user guide, and it will answer even more options about how you can set up your calendar. Within the calendar, you can click on the actual appointment, right click, and then say change, and that'll allow you to access the actual appointment. If we are referring to an event, such as I have an event on Tuesday the 28th, I can right click and edit that actual event, and it'll show me all the details for that event. The venue, the client, the package, the timing, the planning, the music, the equipment, the person who's scheduled for the event, payments, communication, notes, all the details of the event that can help me to prepare for this appointment or this callback or this event. Next we have appointments, and here's your list of appointments, and they're listed here in chronological order. You can have them listed by a date range if you'd like. You can have the program only show you the appointments that you have for this month or for the next 31 days. You can have it show only for all users or for just you as an individual user. If you have multiple users in your organization, then that's that fancy feature that allows you to only look at your appointments or to look at all the appointments for your entire team. Next we have the communication log, which is also what I like to call your callbacks. You can ask it to show you just the callbacks that you have to do today, or show future callbacks, and as you can see, lots on that list. Or you might want it to show you calls that you've missed. If you happen to have forgotten to call this particular individual, then it'll show up on your callback list and you can catch up with it. You can click on event and it will show you the event that's attached to that specific callback. You can look at the communication log and it will tell you that the reason you're calling this person is to confirm their event. And even change contact information regarding the individual that is scheduled for that particular event. This one actually has it. There we go. Contact, and there's a phone number and a name and so forth, and maybe even some notes in the communication log. All available right here from your pending follow-up calls. In regards to contacts and entities, there are some fancy features that can let you look at only specific people within your list, such as you click on the show and say show me only clients, and this would be just a list of clients. Or show me venues, and this would be only a list of venues. Now, if you happen to be looking for a venue in a specific city, you could click on City tab and then type in Phoenix, for example, and it would show you all the venues on your list in Phoenix. Maybe you have a client who's looking for a venue in Pennsylvania, even if you happen to be in another state and you happen to have done service there in Pennsylvania at the Ramada. It'll even show you vendors. If you're looking for vendors, it'll show you all the vendors on your list, such as photographers, videographers, and so forth, or competitors. If you happen to be a member of the ABJA or some other organization and you like to keep track of local DJs and entertainers in your neighborhood, so that if you get a call on a date you're not available, you can then look to one of your competitors to help with that event. If you want to get really fancy, you can click on the filter by entity category, which will allow you to say, I'm looking for a photographer or a photo booth, or in this case a photographer, and now it will show you all the photographers. If you're doing an event in California, you can say by state and then click in CA, and now it'll show you only photographers in California. Or click on by name and it'll show you all of them by name. Okay, and so that is the filter. You can even get more sophisticated with your filter settings by selecting, such as what alert is an example. I have this already set up. I click select, and out of all of my contacts, it'll show me all the brides that came to me via this particular specific service called Wet Alert. You might use respond.com or all-time favorites or a variety of other services. Pick the one you like and set up your filter to match your needs. In regards to the filter, there's a variety of different settings that not only include the ad resource, but who they are referred by, the sales representative, the mail category, are they a business or a person, and a whole myriad of other options. Have fun with it so that you can create very distinguished, definitive lists for things that you're looking for. And these are all extras for DJ Manager. For more information regarding DJ Manager, contact us at scott@thepartyfavors.com. Call us toll free at 866-569-1793. Find other DJ Manager friends on Facebook, and we'll look forward to sharing another lesson with you again soon.